The OnePlus 6 goes official, and we've just spent a week proving all the hype. Samsung announces new color options for the Galaxy S10, and we are really drooling. And now we hear that HTC wants to come up with a blockchain phone? I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from London. Yes, definitely. We've had the OnePlus 6 for a bit. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. I don't know if you knew this, but Google actually runs everything that's sold for Google products in eBay. And now if you purchase anything, and I'm talking about any products, and accumulate $150 in that purchase, you're gonna get a free Google Home Mini. And this is one of the products I actually recommend. It's probably not the best speaker in the world, but the Google Assistant makes it awesome. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about Samsung, as the company has just announced its new Burgundy Red and Sunrise Gold Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. I'm totally drooling over the red one, but the problem is apparently it's only available in China. And then the Sunrise Gold is available in other countries, but it's going to take some time for it to reach the ones that we care about. You can learn more about them in the description. Apparently the price tag remains the same. And speaking of the Galaxies, let's talk about the Galaxy Note 9 and Galaxy S10, as we've got some more trusted sources within Korea that are claiming that yes, we should expect these products to be announced earlier than expected. Apparently Samsung wants to go a little more aggressive on the time frame, mainly because, well, they haven't really been selling that great. I'm not saying they've been selling bad, just not great. Well, last year we saw the Note 8 announced in late August. Let's see how early we can get that. And we can expect the S10 probably at CES. We'll see. Now, this is even more interesting. We've got HTC already teasing that it's got a product called Exodus, that's the code name. And apparently this phone focuses on blockchain. And my God, I really can't stand the whole topic of Bitcoin and everything. Not because I don't like the topic, but it's just everybody is now an expert in cryptocurrency and whatever when you look at their profiles on Twitter. But yeah, that is apparently something that is going to happen. Not exactly sure what the differences with this phone will be, but there's a full technical document in the link in the description. You can learn more about what you're getting here if and whenever that happens. And finally, yes, the most interesting news today have to do with OnePlus 6. We have been playing with the phone for a week. This has been the mystery phone that we've been teasing in the photos on Instagram, in addition to the mystery package. Oh my God, I have to say this. I started testing OnePlus products ever since the 3T. The first batch, I was very clear. These are great phones, but not the best out there. Right now, the OnePlus 6 is a very different animal. Our review will be live very soon, and we will provide you more details on photography and everything. Definitely the comparisons you're expecting, but so far, my initial impressions are very, very positive. Let us know in the comments what do you think. Watch our hands-on video, and we would love to know your opinion in the comments down below. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the OnePlus 6 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.